Hello friends, today we are going to learn the worker example, and it's a day 3 for the concurrency. And if you have not watched my previous videos for day 1 and day 2, go and watch that videos, um, and then you will get more confidence with this example. And if you have not subscribed my channel, go and subscribe that so that you will also will get notified with my new videos. And when you click on my channel, you can see under playlist section there are multiple playlists. One is of course for this concurrency. There is another one, uh, like create project using Golang and Java, where I'm uh, creating the projects in Golang as well as Spring Boot and Java, and I'm adding the videos on day wise. So in that project, I will make use of the Docker container, Elasticsearch database. So the few new technologies. So go and check that out. There is another playlist that is for the kids, or we say for the beginners. So there's a very basic programs. Okay, so now let's start for today. So today in this worker example, there will be three Go routines which will send data to one channel, the different set of data, and one Go routine will read the data from the channel, process the data, and put the result to another channel. So if you see here, there are three, one, four, five Go routines, and there are two channels. Let's see through this picture. So there is a three Go routines. See, write load. It is going to write data 1 to 10 to this channel. This will write data 11 to 20 to this channel, and this Go routine will write data 21 to 30 to this channel. And then all the data are here, or the data is here, and then there is another Go routine, process load. It will read the data from the channel and process the data and check whether that data is prime number or not. If it is prime number, it will put that in a result ch. And then there is another Go routine. It will That Go routine will print the result. So let's see, 1 2 3 Go routines. There is a 1 4, and this one is 5. So 5 Go routines, and there are two channels. So in a real scenario, you can assume there are 100 of Go routines that get the data from the different sources, from the database, from Elasticsearch, or different places, and all those Go routines keep writing that data to channel number ch. And in that way, we have the multiple Go routines, so of course uh, the speed will be good on that. And then here there is a one Go routine that is reading the data and processing. If you want, you can have like multiple Go routines, 10 Go routines here also. 100 Go routines will put the data, and maybe 10 Go routines will read the data and process the data, or maybe 200 Go routines you can put here. You can configure those things, and once that processing is done, result will be stored in another channel, and then uh, last Go routine will read the data and print the data or do other operations. So we are going to see this example today, so let's see that. And in the last videos, let's see this in the last videos we talked about the concurrency, very basic examples, and in day day 2 we talk about closed channel and this example. And I didn't talk about the range, bidirectional, unidirectional. We'll see these things also in today's videos. Okay, that's good. Let's see that. Let me bring the REPL. Okay, let's create one worker example. Okay, so in this example, let's if empty, there is nothing. Okay, that's good. Let's create that function like func write load, and then there will be one channel here, ch, type is int. Then what we do is a begin end int wg. This is for the weight group. Let's import sync. Okay, so that's good. And let's have the for loop. So I'm saying I equal to begin, I less than equal to end, I plus plus, and when we get the data right to this channel numbers ch, so when we write we have to use the right like proper arrow, so it's a number ch and this symbol is to write I. So the begin, I will say that okay, 10 1 to 10 or 10 11 to 20 21 to 30. So for that purpose I'm writing the for loop here, and we're writing to the channel. That's good. Come to the main function, and in a main function define the channel in the main function. So select numbers ch, make channel int. Okay, so that's the channel, and we also need this weight group. So for the weight group, let me define weight group sync weight group. Okay, so we have a weight group here, and we have the channel. Let's call this Goroutine. So first call Goroutine go write load. So write load, and so what we are trying to do is a write load 1 to 10 11 to 20. So we're going to call the three Goroutines for these three works. So these three Goroutines will go and write the data to the channel. So let's do that side by side. I have just opened here. So go write load, and where to write the load, this channel. So I'll give the channels here numbers ch, and then so numbers here, that's good. Let's say 1 comma 10. Then we pass this weight group, or maybe let's check later. Don't use the weight group for now. Okay, numbers, the spelling is wrong. Okay, in numbers number ch 1 to 10. Okay, that's good. So it will, this is the one Goroutine that's write 1 to 10 to write load. We'll call another Goroutine, and this will write data 11 to 20. So we'll say 11 to 20. There will be third Goroutine, and it's going to write data 21 to 30, 21 to 30. Okay, so now we can see there are 3 Goroutines and writing data to this channel. Now next thing is we need another Goroutine that get the data and write to the result. Get the data and check whether that's a prime number or not, and then write to another channel called result. So for now, what we do instead of writing to result, now what we just write this Goroutine and get the data from this channel and just print, and then later we add the further stuff. So okay, let's do that. So that this Goroutine is ready. Let's write another Goroutine. So function and process load, say it's from numbers channels, and here we'll say weight group. Okay, that's good. So from this channel we are trying to read. So how will you do? We can use we can use a for loop, and we can use the for loop in a second video I showed you. You can use the for loop, and then from this channel keep reading the data, and once the channel is closed, then will come out. So in order to do that, if you remember in a last video what we did something like this: v okay, and then numbers channel, like this. So from here we'll get the data and also keep checking with okay whether it's false or not. So false means channel is closed. So the same thing we can achieve using the range. So this time I'm going to use the range. So if I do the for and v and range, and then I'll give the numbers ch. So in this case, I do not have to use the OK. So it will read the data. So this range in a for, it will read the data from the channel, and once the channel is closed, it will come out. Okay, so that's good. Let's come here and print the data. Fmt pre. Okay, that's good. It's closed here. It's closed here. Okay, so the one thing is, if you want to use let's use this. Go and it's a process load. Use the process load, and then pass the channel here, that is the number ch, and pass the weight group. And before that, we can just add one, like wg weight group, add one here, and inside this, if once everything is done, then come out and then say that okay, wg done, and at the end you can say wg weight. Okay, so that's good. Let's run. Okay, so before running, we know that there are 3 Goroutines that's writing data to the numbers channel, and the process load is reading the data from that channel. But sometime this Goroutine has to understand that okay, there is nothing in the channel is closed. So the question is how to close the channel. So that is the little bit challenging stuff here, how to close the channel. So there are 3 Goroutines we have to, and so we have to think a little bit. So in this case, what we can do, we can pass another channel. Like let's say I can say done ch and make channel int 3. So I'm saying, I'm going to make some channel where I'm giving value 3. So this is called, the buffer channel. So in this channel you can store, like, one go routine can send the data and then another go routine has to read. Since we have written 3 go routines, so 3 go routines will go and write the data to this channel. So in this case, what I'm saying, I will go here and check once the 3 go routines come and they are done with their job, then close the channel. So I'll just pass this. It will make sense once I add the logic here. So just a minute. So at the end here I will do something done ch, and it's a channel in type. So okay, that has to pass that. Let me put it here, and then I can pass done ch, here also done ch, and done ch. Okay, so that's good. And what we can do here, so when we do the write load, it will come and do this operation. And so when it does this operation, then what we do, like, let's say first go routines comes here and it does for loop 1 to 10 and then come to the end, and then at the end what we write something in done channel. So we'll say that done channel, and then we'll say 1. We just write one value. And since this is a buffer, it can hold up to 3 items, and it will not be blocked. So that's why I'm calling 3 times, so I know this will go and write done ch 1 2 3, and then at the end I'm checking if length of done ch equal to 3. So I know it will call 3 times, and every times it will write to done ch, so it will write 1 first time, 2 3. So the length of the done channel, the channel is a pipe, and the size is 3 here. So this size is, this will say that capacity, so the capacity is the 3. So the length, the first time it will run, length will be 1, it will run second time, length will be 2, and third time it will be length 3. So once the length is 3, so everything is done and length is 3, then we'll say that to close the channel. So close which channel? We'll close this number ch. Okay, so we'll close the number ch channel, and then it should work. So let's try and run and see the error or anything. Okay, it's saying main go 19, cannot use wg, main go 19, why we cannot use the wg. Okay, we have to pass address, that's why. Okay, let's run it again. Command invalid character, where main go 35. Okay, so there is something, I don't know what is invalid character, so let's do the for. Now this time it looks good. Run it. Nice. See here, 1 to 10, 11 to 20, 21 to 30. So we wrote everything. This 3 go routines wrote the data to this channel, numbers channel, and then we read this data and we printed. So in this example we are till here. So this go routines are writing data to number channel, and then in a process load we printed the data. But this time we do not want to print the data. What we want to read the data one by one and check whether that's a prime number or not, and if it is a prime number, then only store that result to the another channel results here. So let's achieve this thing. Okay, so in order to achieve that, we need another channel, that is result. So let's say results ch, make we want this process load to check whether this is a prime or not, and if it is prime, then put that in the results here. So let's pass that results here also in this place. So do results chan here, and this is the second parameter. So in the second parameter we'll pass the results ch. Okay, that's good. Process load. Now we have the data here. We have to check whether it's a prime number or not. So let's write the function for prime number. Okay, so what I do, function, and then check prime int bool, and what I do, if num less than equal to 1, return false. If num equal to 2 or num equal to 3, return true. We know the 2 and 3 prime numbers, so that's return 2 and 3 prime number. If it is less than equal to 1, then it's a false, not a prime number. And then we can use for I equals 2, I into I less than equal to num I plus plus. Then if num divided by I equal to 0, it should be false. So return false, and in all other cases for is closing here, after for return true. Okay, so this is the function to check the prime number, whether the number is prime or not. So we can call here. So let's call this if check prime and pass the v, and if it returns true, then what you want, if it returns true, it's processing, it's checking the prime number. If it returns true, then store that number. If it is process load and if it's prime, store that to result ch. Okay, so we'll go and add to the result ch. So here is the result ch, right into that result ch, and we'll write this b. So we know that t is prime number. Okay, so we added here, and once everything is done, like this processing is done from the number ch. So we know the number ch, let me bring this screen down. In the number ch there are 1 to 10, 1 to 30, 1 to 30 records. So everything is done. It will store the result to the result cs. Everything is done, then close the channel. So the closing channel is important. So we'll come here, and if for loop is closing, so come out of the for loop and then close result ch, so that once we close the result ch, so that other go routine can read the data completely, and it will come to know that okay, there is no more. So that's why I'm saying okay, result ch. Okay, so results ch. Okay, so this go routine is good, so we are calling this go routine. That's fine. Next thing is we have successfully written the result to result ch. Now we need another go routine that will go and read the data from result ch. So let's create another go routine. So what I say, print result, print result, then result ch, channel int with sync weight group, and from the result channel we want to read. So this time again we go and use the range. So for p and then range result ch, and then print the result empty, println, and we'll say that okay, prime number v. So okay, we'll come here and let's see the logic. Okay, so in this we are using the weight group. So what we can do, we can say wg done at the end, wg done, and in a process load also we are saying wg done. So okay, that's good. So we'll come here and we call this go routine. It's a print result, and this is the last step. Let's see, print result, and we want to pass number ch, uh, not a number, result ch. We want to print the result, so that's why we want the result ch, because we know the result is stored in that channel. Then we can pass wg. We can say here wg add 1. Okay, that looks good. Let's run this and see. Nice. So we got the prime number 11 23 2 3 5 7. Nice. So we got the result. We achieve our milestones here. So okay, so this is the program. I'm just pausing here. You can check this function. We can check these other functions here. It's a write load, print result, process load, and this is the check prime number. Okay, so that's all for today. So we achieved our milestones. I didn't talk about the bidirectional channel, unidirectional channel. So we can talk that in a next video. So that's all for today. uh, just try this program and run the program by yourself and see and try to understand that's better. I think that's a very useful example. You can uh, you can design your concurrency model based on this, and you will not get stuck anywhere. So that's all. See you. Thank you.